Hello, welcome back to all of you. Today I welcome you in our most important question series of JEE Mains and NEET. Already we have completed 10 questions of electrochemistry. Now I am shifting to the next chapter, that is our liquid solution. So let us start with our first question of liquid solution. First question is telling us 6.5 molar solution. Be aware what they are telling. Molar solution of KOH has density 1.89 gram per centimeter cube. Further, they are asking molarity of the solution in which unit, mole per decimeter cube. So as the moment the question is asking molarity, so before it, in this single question we are going to understand the meaning of 1 molar solution. Second, molarity, which you must be knowing. Third, very important, is unit conversion. So majority of the student, when they got this question, they have done mistake in unit conversion only. Now if you see this question, they are asking about molarity, so we need to know the formula for molarity. What? Moles of what? Moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. These two quantities I need to know. So if we'll check moles of solute, first I need to know, then what? Volume of solution in liter. Then we will divide it and we will get our answer. So let first discuss about moles of solute. Already in your question, one thing has been given, 6.5 molar solution. So what is the meaning of 6.5 molar solution? Molar means molality, not molarity. That's why small m. So what is the meaning of this 6.5 m? 6.5 mole of solute dissolved in how much kg of solvent? 1 kg of solvent. Be aware, I am telling 1 kg of solvent, not solution. So that is the one meaning. The moment I got this clarity, so I came to know what is a mole. Mole, I know, mole is known to us, that is how much? 6.5 mole. So what does it mean? Numerator is known to us. What hard work we have to do? We have to do hard work for calculating volume of solution. So let's calculate how we are going to get volume of solution. Now logically think, when we have to calculate volume of solution, one thing they have given, density. So let's approach how we can do this question. So if we'll talk about this second part, so let first write moles of solute. So what is the moles of solute formula? Given mass, right? Divide by what? Molar mass. Now tell me, what is the moles of solute? Just now you have written how much? 6.5 mole will be equal to what? Given mass, not known to us, divide by what? Molar mass of solute. What is our solute in this case? Our solute is what? Solute is KOH. So what will be the for? Potassium it will be 39, oxygen it will be 16, and hydrogen it will be 1. So add it, how much it will come? The moment you will add, it will come 56. So I can write downside what? 56 gram mole inverse. So what will be the given mass? Given mass will be 6.5 mole multiply by 56 gram mole inverse. So be aware about the unit. Mole cancel. After multiplication you are going to get 364 gram. That is the one thing we come to know. Now if we talk about one thing, if I am writing mass of solution, this whole hard work we are doing for what? Getting volume of solution. So if I will talk about mass of solution, so you will say, sir, solution is made up of two things, solute and solvent. So I can write mass of what? Solute plus kya? Mass of solvent. The moment I am writing like this, you can focus. What is the mass of solute? Just now you told how much? 364 gram. What is the mass of solvent? Be aware, this is the only you will confuse. Mass of solvent is nothing. They have mentioned how much? 1 kg of solvent. 1 kg means how much gram? 1000 gram. So what I can write here? I can write here 1,000 gram. So how much I got as a total? 1364 gram, right? So this is the one part which we got it. Now the mass of solution is known to us. Now the part is coming. Already we know the formula of density. Density of solution I am talking about. The density of solution will be what? Density is equal to what? Mass of solution divided by volume of solution, right? Why I am writing solution? To make you clear. Now we have to calculate what? Volume of solution. So volume, what I can write? Mass by density. Now put the value, nothing. Now if you check this, what is the mass? Just now we have got mass, we got 1364 gram. And what is the density? Density has been given how much? You can check it. Density already known to us, that is how much? 1.89 gram per centimeter cube. So let's put this value. So I'm going to write 1.89 gram centimeter cube. So now check it. Gram cancel. Now check it. I can write 1364 divided by kya? Don't write now, divide it. Centimeter cube went up numerator. You need to know 1 centimeter cube is nothing, is equal to 1 milliliter. 1 milliliter is very little amount. So what I can write? 1364 0.64 divided by 1.89 milliliter. The moment I written, now question is solved. Now you check it. One thing, we have written the formula volume of solution has to be in liter, right? So the moment I have to convert into liter, what I need to do? I will divide by 1000. So when I will divide by 1000, what I will get? 1.364, 3 zeros. Divide by what? 1.89. So it become what? Liter. Now I know the volume of solution. Now let's put the value and get the answer. So now last part is what? Calculation of what? Molarity. So molarity is what? Number of moles of solute and volume in liter. The volume, number of moles of solute was how much? Number of moles of solute is 6.5 moles. So just put the value 6.5 mole. So I'm going to put 6.5 mole divided by kya? 1.364 divided by what? 1.89 liter. Now nothing. 6.5 multiply by what? 1.89 divided by what? 1.364. Now be aware, calculation anyway we can do. We got mole per liter. Now one thing you need to know, if you see the unit of answer, they are asking in which unit? Mole per decimeter cube. They are not asking mole per liter. Just they have given for confusion. For your knowledge, you need to know 1 liter is equal to what? 1 liter is equal to nothing, 1 decimeter cube. So the moment we know this, only for confusion they have created. So now check it. See, if I will solve this part whole, I am going to get 9. Now mole at the place of liter, what I can write? Decimeter cube. So what I can write? 9 mole decimeter minus 3. So this is your final answer, 9. So we can report our answer. That is how much? That is 9, right? So we got the answer. So let me give a brief review of this, what we have done. So the examiner was asking about molarity. So I know the formula, moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. So first our aim is to know moles of solute. This is going to help. 6.5 small m is nothing, 6.5 mole of solute dissolved in 1 kg of solvent. तो मुझे क्या पता चल गया? मुझे मोल्स पता चल गए. तो हमको मेन पता क्या करना है? वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन के लिए क्वेश्चन में देखोगे डेंसिटी दिया है. तो डेंसिटी दिया है, तो अब एक काम करो, मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? गिवन मास बाई मोलर मास. सो मोल्स आई पुट गिवन मास बाई मोलर मास. सो आई कैलकुलेटेड गिवन मास 364 ग्राम केम. नाउ आफ्टर दैट मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? solute plus solvent. Solute 364, solvent is already how much? 1000 gram. 1364 gram पता चल गया. Now I can write volume is equal to mass by density. I put the mass, I put the density. I done the calculation. I got this much centimeter cube. I know 1 centimeter is equal to 1 ml. So centimeter cube की जगह I put ml. Then further I converted into liter dividing by 1000. So I got this. Then I put in the main formula 6.5 mole divided by this much liter. I done the calculation. I got 9 mole per liter. अब 1 liter is equal to कितना? 1 decimeter cube. So I just put, I got at last answer 9 mole decimeter cube. So this was a simple question. Max to max you can do the mistakes in this units and all. Otherwise it's a simple straightforward question. So this question I put up from the concentration term as we started our question number what? 1. So thank you so much all of you. Thank you so much.